Hello, welcome back to Rugged Reviews. You've already hopefully seen our M60 introductory video. Well, the M60, a brand new 6-inch rugged handheld computer from Explore, has arrived in Australia, and we have our first two examples here to unbox for you in today's Rugged Review video. So shipped to me here, I have firstly the barcode reader M60, the M60 without the barcode reader, and a couple of accessories, hand strap and the belt pouch as well for the M60. Let's unbox them together and see what we find. Looking in the box here, as usual when we open these sorts of products, we see our warranty information and product information to read beforehand. Here is our brand new M60 with the integrated barcode reader attached. You'll see we have our protective film. One of the cool things about the M60 is that it ships with a screen protector already fitted to the device. So you'll just peel off this secondary cover to get access to an already protected screen. And this device feels quite light. It doesn't have the battery in it yet, so let's find where that might be. Underneath our boxing here, what do we have? Alright, to begin with, we've got our power cord. We have a range of power adapters here, including the transformer. So this one here, not this one here. This one here is most likely our Australian adapter. So international adapters in the box. It's quite handy. You don't have to worry about what your local type of adapter is. We're right to go. We can unbox those and plug this in for power. Here is our giant battery that goes in the M60. So let's put the battery in the M60 and fire it up for the first time and see what that looks like. So on the back of this tablet we have two clips. We can now peel the cover off and reveal the battery well. Now we can see in here our two SIM card slots. So this device runs two SIM cards. We also have an SD card slot in here as well. I'm going to fit the battery in. The battery fits in from the side and pushes down. We have a lock here for the battery. Now what ships with this as well is a little clamp here and a screwdriver to fit it. Now this fits to the bottom of the battery here, and that permanently secures the battery in place while those screws are intact. That's really important for areas where you might want to use this device that are classed as hazardous location. So that clamp installed here means no battery removal. Let's fit back the cover. It slides in at the bottom, pushes down, and the two buttons up. Right, we now have our sealed device. We're going to attempt to peel off the screen cover protector. It's a static electricity there as always. And here we have our device. So here we are with our unboxed M60s, the barcode reader option and the one without it. I've logged into my Google account here. Out of the box, I'm seeing about 60% battery life on this device. So that's a couple of days battery use on this device, out of the box, ready to go. I'm going to load up some apps, we'll do some battery testing, and we'll report back to you shortly on how the M60 performs. Let's have a look at a couple of these accessories that have come with it. Firstly, the hand strap. We'll open that. Again, the hand strap bracket is designed to work with the barcode reader. We have our shipping screw attachments and screwdriver there. And a clip for the device. Now, this particular part here is for the hand strap without the barcode reader, but because we have the barcode reader already installed in this device, we should be able to fit our hand strap in here. Velcro on the hand strap, opens both ends, and we can fit this through. And fit that around. I reckon I've done it upside down, so we'll do that again. So there's our hand strap. Now that's quite a cool hand strap to be able to use this device with. What we also have here is our belt holster for the M60. So I'll just pull that out of its plastic packaging. Feels like it's got some foam in it as well. Velcro attachment, yep. So in this is a sleeve for the M60 with a belt loop through it. And also a pouch on the back. In fact, here's our belt loops. Yep. Belt loop, Velcro belt loop, and we have a spare battery pouch here as well. So given the initial testing on the battery life of the M60, I'm not sure you'd want to carry around a spare battery for the next 3 days, but certainly you've got that space there to carry a spare battery around and to slot the M60 in and out of the pouch that you can attach to your belt or to some other piece of equipment. It's a lovely finish, branding on the back of it, very nice feel. Rubberized edges. This is obviously a very rugged device. I've logged into my Google account here. Even out of the box, I have about 60% battery life ready to go. What we're going to do here now is load up some apps onto this device. We're going to give it a test, see how it actually performs as a phone and as a handheld computer. We'll report back to you shortly on its performance. Thanks for watching Rugged Reviews. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget we're here for any questions you have as well. So for something different, we're going to do Welcome back to Rugged Devices. You've already seen Rugged Reviews.